Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video I will be showing you how I got this gorgeous moisturized wash and go, and I will be starting with freshly washed hair, and then I'm going to section my hair and start applying my moisturizer. I will be using the Maya moisturizing avocado milk instead of my usual Maya leave-in conditioner that I'm accustomed to. As you can tell, this product has already made my hair look 10 times more moisturized. So I'm going to show you the difference between both sides once I'm finished. So here is the side that I did not apply any product to. As you can see, it's really dry and brittle looking versus the other side, which is very moisturized. Now I'm going to be applying my Eco Styler. Once again, I didn't really change up the styling product, but the moisturizer did make a difference in the results. As you can see, my hair looks really shiny and the brush just glides right through, which is why I really think this moisturizer is a winner. This moisturizer is a must-have because if your hair is really dry, I can already tell that this product really adds a lot of moisture to my hair. So I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side and then go ahead and show you guys the results once my hair was dry. So to dry my hair, I did diffuse with a blow dryer. However, I didn't include that part in this video because I'm going to do a separate video on how I diffuse my hair. I'm not sure if I'm going to put that on YouTube or if I'm going to put it on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you do that. I will add my Instagram name on the screen and as well as in the description box below. And also I will be including the products that I use as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you leave a comment and let me know if you guys like this wash and go. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.